So what we have in this question, taxi please. So we have a city network of taxis. So we have n users and m taxis. So for each person will have a starting time and a journey time. So we need to find the taxi for it. So we need to find the taxi with least index. And if we can't find a taxi, we have to print -1. So what we'll do? So we have two integers in our input, starting time and ending time. So we'll sort the person with starting time and ending time such that the starting time is minimum. So we'll input it in our vector and we'll have another vector of taxis. So we have a vector with m size. So each taxi will have initially 0 in it. And according to the person, if a person comes to 2, so we check the first taxi, and if it's empty, so we'll fill it with 2. So if the second comes like 3, 4, so we see that this is less than that. So we put 3 here. So we'll give first taxi to him. And if it is not free, then we'll give second taxi to him. And if all the ones are filled and this is greater than, this is less than all of them, so we'll have output -1. So we have done the same question with rooms. So we take the vector of taxis, we'll initialize it with 0, and we have a vector of index and departure and starting time, and we have a vector answer. So we'll give the answer to everyone. Every person answer will be stored in this one. So initially we'll input the starting and journey time and we'll push it in our group as the ith person, because we have to output in the answer as the ith person. So we'll sort the group with compare function. So compare function is that a of first should be less than starting time should be less than starting time should be in increasing order. So that is that. So what we'll do then? So we'll then iterate over the group and we'll get every person out. So if the person has a starting time u and a time of the journey t, so we'll find the taxi which have v of j less than u. So while v of j is greater than u, we'll look the next one. So if we have v of j less than u, so uh, we put the departure time of that here, and we'll put the answer of that person equal to the index of that taxi. And if we look at all the taxi and we don't have any one empty to take the person, so the answer of that person should be -1, and we'll output the answer of all the persons at the end.